that he only stays with those who stay with them.
Kwa kuwa anakaa na wale ambao wanakaa naye.
So the Lord is willing to stay with those people who stays with him.
Bwana akona hiari ya kukaa na wale ambao wanakaa naye.
But also if you forsake him,
lakini ukimwachilia,
he is also not going to go at any loss.
Pia ataenda katika hasara.
Because you're going to remember,
kwa kuwa ukikumbuka,
he gave us that we should obey him totally 100% obedience.
Atupeana ili tuweze kumtii kikamilifu.
That is why even his first specimen Adam,
hata ndio maana yule Adamu,
his first specimen, his first scientific research that he did,
yule Adamu yule wako wa kwanza
when he sinned against him,
alipofanya dhambi dhidi ya Bwana,
he didn't say,
haikusema
that this is my first specimen,
ati huyu ni wangu wa kwanza,
maybe I can just forgive him, he never knew,
atunaweza msamehe labda hakujua.
No,
hapana.
Whatever he did,
ile ambayo alifanya,
he cast him out of the Garden of Eden,
alimtimua kutoka Garden of Eden,
and then he allowed that sin to come in,
alafu akaachilia dhambi kuingia,
he allowed death to come